So you see someone that you like and you're like, holy shit, that person is fine. Here's the problem. You don't know what to do. So in this video, I'm gonna go over some tips so you can shoot your shot. Coming up. If we haven't met before, my name is Johann, and on this channel you'll find some helpful product reviews to improve your self-care, as well as tips and strategy videos just like this one. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell before I jump from bed to bed and act like an ass. So if you've seen some of my videos in the past, you know that's some of my favorite ways to go about certain things, and that's it all in your mind. You gotta have that first mindset to let you know, like, hey, I'm gonna attract this fine ass human being right now. You have to believe that you can get it done. If you can't, it's gonna be over. Like, that's it, game over. On the flip side of things, if it is that you feel like you've quit for whatever reason, you do have an option to bounce back. You can always bounce back. You just gotta believe in yourself. If you're like me, you're probably very awkward. You don't know what to say when you approach that sexy specimen. Here's a little trick. You ask a favor, right? Peep this. It doesn't have to be anything massive. Let's say you're in class and your crush is right there. You can go ask that person, hey, can you watch my stuff while I go take a shit because I'm all nervous to try to talk to you? I mean, you don't have to tell them that you're going to take a shit because that is going to deduct a lot of cool points out. But if you're like me and you don't give a shit, do it. Don't do it. I'm just joking. Don't do it. Do not do it. You're going to scare them. So after you wipe your ass, and you go back to that person, you could genuinely thank them and say, hey, you're the hero of the day. Thank you. Random question, what is your favorite snack? You gotta ask open-ended questions. Open-ended questions are questions that don't result in a yes or no format or answer. If that person tells you their favorite snack, you already have a piece of information about them. Oh, really? You like Snickers? You don't really look like a Snickers person. Lucky for you, I got a Snickers right here in my pants. No. Do not say that. If you do say that, I will slap you with a sock. You know that sexy beast likes Snickers. The next day, you can treat her to a candy bar of Snickers. Snickers bar. You can give that person the Snickers bar and be like, hey, this is for you as thanks for watching my stuff the other day. Don't forget eye contact and not no crazy ass. I'm talking about something light. You know, smile with your eyes. Let her know what's up. Now, I know it's hard to gaze at those sexy eyes of a human, but try to keep your composure and do not fall for them. However, let's say you do look into their eyes and you fuck up or you stutter or whatever the case may be. You can be bold and say something like, well, this is awkward. I kind of fell into your eyes a little bit. Very awkward indeed. But anyways, you want to laugh it off and like continue what you were saying. This way, you like literally subliminally told them that, hey, I found you attractive and you also own your awkwardness. So that's like a double win. Yeah. Try to let that devilish, sinful of a body do all the talking and soak in as much information as possible. Don't drop a whole bunch of friggin' questions like it's a goddamn interview. Put some statements in that bitch. Say that they're into anime, right? You can say something like, wow, I didn't even know you were into anime like that. It's something about anime that just takes you to like these different worlds, and sometimes you're just imagining yourself being in one of them. And let that fine person speak for a bit and do hold back from that long ass speech. Not that long ass speech, but any, you know, as if you want to give like a whole ass essay, you know, presentation. You don't want to stop doing that. Stop talking a lot. Allow that person to contribute to the conversation, and if there's silence, embrace it. It's pretty normal to have silence in convos. Don't feel like you're pressured or that you have to actually say something. If you're doing all of the talking, like all the initiation of the conversation, there is a chance that that person is not into you. I'm not gonna sugarcoat shit. Or they can be shy, but they may not be into you. And for that, I say crush that crush, because that crush is crushing your time. Thank you. Next. Give me some dumb. Oh shit. Ah! Alright. I told Shorty to come between my leg. Stop. Yo, I gotta be in a fucking party right now. And it's already midnight. We out here. Let me go and take a shower.